Sabutan Festival, Palanan, Isabela.
Ibig ko mga tanan.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Si Colonel Tijan Roy Marquez Cordial.
At ako naman si Binibining Princess Joanna Ayungke.
Mula sa nakatagong paraiso ng Norte.
At tahanan na magigiting na dumagat.
Tara na!
Sa bayan ng Palanan, Sabutan Festival!
Ibay by Paul Javier. Ibay or Agda pays homage to the first indigenous people of Palanan with their deep connection with nature. Using 85% Sabutan, these attires symbolize the heart of Palanan's cultural identity and its vibrant festival celebration, highlighting the community's artistry and commitment to preserving its rich traditions. Again, Sabutan Festival from Palanan, Isabela.